Good morning to one and all. In the today's class, I am going to discuss about condition for maximum efficiency in a transformer. So the load current at which the efficiency obtained maximum value is denoted as I2M. The subscript M stands for maximum efficiency at which the load current is I2. I2 is nothing but a secondary current, and the maximum efficiency is denoted as theta max. Okay, as you all know that the efficiency is a function of load. The load current I2 assuming cos pi 2 constant, and the terminal voltage V2 is also constant. V2 and I2 both are constant. Okay, cos pi 2 stands for power factor. So for maximum efficiency, what you have to do, you have to differentiate the efficiency expression with respect to I2 and then equate to 0. Therefore, efficiency equals V2 I2 cos pi, V2 I2 cos pi plus Pi plus I square I2 square R, that is, this expression gives the copper loss at full load value. 2E means full load value. So now theta means you write on this expression here is equal to 0. This is in the format U by V. U by V means V into du by di2 minus U into dV by di2. Therefore, so now you differentiate it. So V means this term, you write it as it is, into du, differentiate this one with respect to I2. Then it will comes to V2 into cos pi 2 minus U means this value, you write it as it is, into V, you differentiate this term. It comprises of three components. So when you differentiate this first component with respect to I2, then you will get V2 into cos pi 2, Pi is constant term 0, I2 square into R2 is 2I2 R2. So now V2 cos pi 2 will cancel each other in both the terms. Then you will get here V2 I2 cos pi 2 plus Pi plus I2 square R2 minus V2 I2 cos pi 2 minus 2I square R2. Okay. So now minus 2I square R2 plus I2 square R2, I can write it as I2 square R2. This and this term will get cancelled each other. Therefore, Pi is equal to I2 square R2, nothing but PCU. What does it mean? For maximum efficiency, the iron loss should be equal to copper loss. Okay, then only you will get the maximum efficiency in a transformer. Then the load current I2M at maximum efficiency. I2 is the secondary current, nothing but load current. M subscript stands for the load current at maximum efficiency. Okay, this is the load current at maximum efficiency. For maximum efficiency, for iron loss I2 square R2E, but as you know that the secondary current at maximum efficiency is I2M. Therefore, in the place of I2, you have to write it here I2M square R2E Pi. Then you rewrite this equation, get the expression for I2M. I2M is equal to square root of Pi divided by R2E. So the above expression 1 is the load current value, maximum load current value at maximum efficiency. Okay, let I2 into FL, full load current, right? So now you divide this I2 into FL in the above equation on both RHS and LHS. So I2M divided by I2 into FL, M over I2 into FL square root of Pi into R2. This is equal to square root of Pi divided by square root of I2 into full load, the whole square. If you take this term inside the square root, it will become square into R2. I2M equals I2 into FL square root of Pi divided by, this is nothing but what? I2 square into FL is nothing but copper loss. TCU into silver. So the above expression is the load current at maximum efficiency under full load current. In kilovolt ampere supplied at maximum efficiency. If you want to find it, then what you have to do here in this is, maximum efficiency is equal to kilovolt ampere means volt and ampere. Current value I2M into, you have to multiply V2, the terminal voltage, secondary terminal voltage. Therefore, I2M into V2. V2 into, what is the value of I2M? This expression. You write it here. I2 into FL square root of Pi divided by PCU into FL. V2 into I2 means kilovolt ampere rating. This one I can write it as volt current as kilovolt ampere rating into square root of Pi divided by PCU into F. So the maximum efficiency condition, as you all know that Pi should be equal to TC. Iron loss should be equal to copper. So when it is equal, then it will become 2Pi. This is the phosphate power factor. V2 item is a kilovolt ampere. This is the formula you have to remember to solve the problems on maximum efficiency. Thank you.